Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mark read emails as unread in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails so you can see your complete inbox. Now, once all your emails have loaded in, you're ready to start marking those read emails as unread. Navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of your screen where all your emails and email folders are displayed. This is where you'll find all your messages organized by folder, and from here you can easily manage them. From your inbox, locate the specific email you want to mark as unread and click on it once to select it. You'll notice the email gets highlighted, indicating it's now selected and ready for the next action. This selection step is important because it tells Outlook exactly which email you want to modify. After selecting the email, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. This menu contains several useful options for managing your emails quickly without having to navigate through multiple menus. When the context menu appears, look through the list of options available and simply click on Mark as Unread. As soon as you click this option, the email's status will immediately change from read back to unread. You'll typically notice this change visually, as the email will appear bold again in your inbox list, just like it did when you first received it. This makes it stand out among your other messages, serving as a visual reminder that you still need to address it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully marked a read email as unread in Outlook, making it easy to flag important messages you want to come back to later. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.